Okay, the last step of this project is to assemble everything. So you would have already glued on the contrasting color stem. That should already be done. Then you're going to cut out the pumpkin and the stem together from that original paper. And here's my infinity net. I left an empty spot in the middle because I knew I was going to glue my pumpkin down in that area. So if you want to leave an empty spot in the middle, that you can. But I actually had originally left too much empty space, and when I went to put my pumpkin down, it had like an empty spot at the top. So I had to fill in a little bit more of the paper with the net before I was done. Anyway, now I'm ready to glue down my pumpkin. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and I'm going to start drawing circles with it in the middle. Put a lot of glue, and you really want to get the glue on the edges, because if you don't glue down the edges, it's going to peel up. Okay, so glue in the middle first and then around the edges. Make sure the glue on the edges isn't dry. And then you're going to take your time positioning it. And then glue it down and make sure you give it some pressure so it really will stay. And then the finishing touch, if you don't already have this done, you need to make sure that you put your name and class period on the back. The only way you're going to get a grade is if you have your name and class period on there. All right, I cannot grade a work with no name. I have no idea who made that. All right, so there's an example of the final result. I think you guys have done an awesome job on these. Good work.